Hey, it's Anna here. Have you ever been around a girl and felt like she's trying to get your attention, but you're just not sure? Sometimes the signs are loud and clear, but more often they are whispers amidst the noise. Today, we are diving deep into those 27 signs that she's sending your way, signaling she wants you to notice her. Now, these aren't just your everyday hints, they are these fleeting glances, the small gestures, and those little moments that might have just easily slipped under your radar. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you will be tuned into even the most subtle signals. Ready to unveil the mystery? Let's jump right in. Adjusting her appearance. When she adjusts her appearance, fixing her hair or clothing when you are around, it's a subtle but deliberate action to draw your attention. This behavior suggests that she wants to present herself at her best and appear more attractive in your eyes. Seeking your approval. Seeking your approval is a sign that she wants your attention and validation. Whether seeking your reaction or explicitly asking for your opinion, she desires to please you and gain your approval. This behavior indicates that she values your perspective and wants to connect positively. Adjusting her posture. When she adjusts her posture by standing taller or adopting a more confident stance in your presence, it's a clear sign that she wants your attention and approval. By enhancing her physical presence, she aims to project confidence and attractiveness. Positioning herself nearby. When she actively positions herself nearby or finds a way to be closer to you, it strongly indicates that she wants your attention. Whether choosing a seat close to yours in a group setting or intentionally being in your vicinity during social events, this behavior demonstrates her desire to be near you. Initiating conversations. When she takes the initiative to start conversations or finds reasons to talk to you, it clearly indicates that she wants your attention. By making the first move, she actively seeks opportunities for interaction and engagement. It shows her interest in getting to know you better and signifies that she values your conversation. Initiating conversations demonstrates her willingness to invest time and effort into building a connection with you. Engaging in physical touch. When she engages in physical touch, such as lightly touching your arm or shoulder during conversations, this signifies a desire for a deeper connection. This subtle form of contact demonstrates her comfort and trust in your presence. She seeks to establish a closer bond and create a sense of intimacy by initiating physical touch. Playing with her hair. It's a classic sign of attraction when she plays with her hair, twirling or running her fingers through it while you are around. This unconscious behavior signifies her attempt to draw attention to herself and appear more appealing. Playing with her hair is often an attempt to highlight her femininity and express her interest in a subtle yet noticeable way. Leaning in closer. When she leans in closer while you are talking or listening to her, it strongly indicates that she wants your attention and connection. This physical gesture demonstrates her engagement and interest in the conversation. She creates a sense of intimacy by leaning in and indicating her desire to establish a closer bond. Creating opportunities for contact. Creating opportunities for contact is a strong indication that she wants your attention. She actively seeks excuses to reach out or to touch base with you, whether it's through text messages, phone calls, or social media interactions. Dilated pupils. When her pupils appear larger or dilated when she looks at you, it's a strong indication of her interest and attraction. Dilated pupils are a physiological response when someone is emotionally engaged or aroused. It suggests a subconscious reaction to your presence and signifies that she finds you captivating. Active listening. Active listening is a clear sign that she wants your attention. When she pays close attention to what you say and shows genuine interest, it demonstrates her desire to understand and connect with you. She engages in active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding and responding thoughtfully, conveying her attentiveness and valuing the conversation. Positive body language. Positive body language is another indication that she wants your attention. She shows her receptiveness and engagement by facing you directly and adopting an open posture, such as uncrossed arms and leaning in. This body language communicates her interest in the interaction and signals that she is approachable and receptive to further connection. Frequent eye contact. Frequent eye contact is a powerful signal that she wants you to notice her. When she looks at you often and holds your gaze, it suggests a desire for a deeper connection. It's a nonverbal way of expressing interest and inviting further interaction. The prolonged eye contact indicates that she values your presence and wants to establish a connection beyond mere casual encounters. Asking personal questions. When she asks personal questions, it signifies her interest in getting to know you on a deeper level. By inquiring about your life, interests, or experiences, she demonstrates a genuine curiosity and a desire to establish a meaningful connection. Remembering details. Remembering details from previous conversations is a clear sign that she wants your attention. By recalling and bringing up small details, she demonstrates her attentiveness and values your interactions. It reflects her effort to actively listen and engage with you personally, as she remembers and references specific information shared in earlier conversations. Smiling and laughter. When she smiles or laughs at your jokes, even when they might not be that funny, it clearly indicates that she wants your attention. Her genuine smiles and laughter reflect her interest in creating a positive and enjoyable atmosphere when you are around. By finding humor in your words, she seeks to establish a connection and make you feel comfortable. Sustained interest. Sustained interest is evident when she consistently maintains engagement and curiosity in your life. Whether it's through asking about your day, remembering important events, or actively participating in conversations, she shows a genuine investment in getting to know you better. Mirroring your actions. When she mirrors your gestures or body language, it strongly indicates that she wants you to notice her. She is establishing a subconscious connection and rapport by unconsciously mimicking your actions. It suggests a level of comfort and alignment with you, as if she's trying to create a sense of unity. Playful teasing. Engaging in playful teasing or banter is a fun and light-hearted way for her to get your attention. She shows her comfort and connection with you by engaging in this dynamic. Playful teasing creates a sense of camaraderie and shared humor, signaling her interest in building a playful rapport with you. It's a way for her to create a lively and engaging interaction, further emphasizing her desire to capture your attention. Initiating plans. When she takes the initiative to suggest activities or events that involve spending time together, it's a strong sign that she wants your attention and desires to deepen your connection. By proposing plans, she shows her interest in spending more quality time with you, indicating a desire for further engagement and getting to know each other better. Active social media presence. Frequently liking or commenting on your posts indicates that she wants to stay connected and engaged with your life. She seeks to establish a virtual connection and remain on your radar by showing consistent interest in your social media activities. Initiating physical proximity. This could be standing or sitting close to you. It strongly signals that she's wanting your attention and getting that closer connection. By intentionally positioning herself nearby, she seeks opportunities for interaction and increased physical closeness. Sharing personal information, such as opening up about her thoughts, feelings, or experiences, this strongly indicates that she wants your attention and connection. By revealing personal details, she allows herself to be vulnerable and shows that she trusts you. Introducing you to her friends. This indicates that she wants your attention and inclusion in her social circle. She signals that you hold a special place in her life by involving you in social situations with her friends. Seeking your attention in a group. By directing her attention and conversations towards you, even when others are present, it reflects her desire to establish a deeper connection. By focusing on you amidst the group, she conveys her interest and prioritizes your interaction. Subtle flirting. This clearly indicates that she wants your attention and is interested in you. She's testing those waters by dropping hints or engaging in light flirtatious behavior and trying to gauge your response. This behavior includes playful teasing, witty banter, or coy smiles, all indicating her desire to create a romantic or flirtatious atmosphere and establish a deeper connection with you. Nervousness or shyness. This could indicate that she craves your attention and is affected by your presence. You may notice her acting a little bit anxious or fidgety, which might be because she is self-conscious and striving to make a good impression. This display of nervousness is a significant sign that she is interested in you and longing to be noticed and appreciated by you. Now that you know the signs that she wants your attention, have you ever wondered how to react when she gives you that look? Or perhaps you'd like to dive deeper into her body's unspoken words of attraction. Choose your next guide. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.